In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Bank of America credit card in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, and once it's connected, QuickBooks can automatically bring in your credit card transactions for review. That can save you time, help you keep your books organized, and make it easier to stay on top of your expenses. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Accounting. From there, go to Bank Transactions. This is the area where you manage connected bank and credit card feeds, review imported activity, and organize transactions before adding them to your books. When you're inside Bank Transactions, go to the top right corner and click Link Account. This opens the connection window where you can search for the financial institution you want to connect. In the search field, type Bank of America and then select it from the list when it appears. After you choose Bank of America, the setup process for that connection will appear on your screen. From here, simply follow the prompts provided by QuickBooks and your bank. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign into your online banking account and confirm the connection. You might also need to choose the specific credit card account you want to link, especially if there are multiple accounts available under the same login. As you go through the setup, make sure you're selecting the correct credit card account and the appropriate QuickBooks account to connect it to. This helps ensure your transactions import into the right place and keeps your records accurate from the start. Once you complete the prompts, the connection should be established and your Bank of America credit card will be linked to QuickBooks Online. After that, QuickBooks will begin pulling in available transactions so you can review, categorize, and match them as needed. And that's it. The setup is very quick, and once it's done, it can make your bookkeeping workflow much smoother. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general process for connecting other banks and credit cards inside QuickBooks Online as well.